Hello everyone, my name is Diptindu Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is Blue Lagoon. How to make this Blue Lagoon mocktail? First of all, you will take a tall glass and fill the tall glass with ice cube. Then you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of lime cordial syrup. You can use fresh lime juice also. Then you have to pour 15 into 20 ml of blue Curacao syrup. Then you have to simply fill the glass with Sprite and soda. See, then after that you have to stir the mocktail with the help of, see how the fancy mocktail is ready. This is the refreshment mocktail Blue Lagoon. Ingredients: blue Curacao syrup, lemonade, lime cordial and soda. This is very simple mocktail, you can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.